I'm going to show you how to make your own all-natural powdered laundry detergent for your clothes that works better than bought stuff. It is absolutely brilliant. You'll never go and buy bought stuff ever again. It is dead easy to make, as I'll show you in this video. Now, if you like it, I've got a whole course on how to clean your whole house completely naturally without any harsh chemicals. It's so much better for the environment, for your pocket, and also for your family in the house. Okay, so let me see. Now, if you like this channel, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. All right, let me show you how to make the best powdered laundry detergent. So, what you're going to do is you're going to use your Castile soap. Now, and you're going to grate on the smallest hole possible. Now, I'm going to be garbage bag because you're going to make a big lot here. Now, I've got Zote soap because I couldn't get Castile soap in. So you could use this. Ideally, I'd use Castile soap. But if you don't have Castile soap, you can use Zote. It's rated, I think, C with the EWG. But ideally, I'd use Castile. But it'd take 3 weeks to get into where I live. And so I'm just using this for the moment for the video. Now, that's what happens if you do this in the 100-degree heat without an air conditioner. You end up dripping wet. But that's what happens when you've finished. So there's my finely grated soap. All right, so you spread that out. That's the hard part done. Now, a box of baking soda. All right, so just add that to it. Now, once you've done the grating, the rest is a breeze. Now, your super washing soda. Now, I've got it in a bag because I got it from the laundry supplies, but you'd use the box. Of Arm & Hammer, just a box. So the ingredients are really easy. So a box of baking soda, a box of super washing soda ash it's called. Okay, then you add your Epsom salts, and then you're using, now normally you'd have a 3-pound OxyClean. Now this is rated B in EWG, so it's got a very good rating, about 3 pounds. So you can buy a 3-pound box. I just couldn't find it again. So I'll get a 5-pound, I think it is. So I use about half of that. There you go. Now you just mix her up carefully. Now you might want to put 2 bags in, but then once you use 2 bags in case one breaks, and that's what it looks like at the end of it. Look at that. And then I just spoon it in. Now you only need about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons per load. So as you can see, you've just made a whole lot for very little money at all. And your all natural powdered laundry detergent. So I just spoon that in, and then when I get about halfway, what I do is I give it a little shakeroo. Shake, 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 shake. To mix it all up, and there we have it. It's full, and at the end, you can see that, and another little shake for good luck. Make sure it's all mixed up beautifully. A little rocking and rolling, and there you have it. It is that simple and that quick, except for the grating part. The grating part's next time I would definitely use air conditioning.